Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing the perfect OTT IPTV provider today. With so many options, it can be tough to figure out which service suits you best. Today, we'll take you through some crucial steps to help make your choice easier. First, consider the range of channels each provider offers based on your interests. Make a list of your must-have channels for sports, movies, and documentaries. Next, evaluate the pricing plans available with different IPTV providers. Compare subscription costs and make sure there are no hidden fees involved. User interface matters too. A clean, easy-to-navigate platform enhances your experience greatly. Don't forget to check the streaming quality. You deserve a smooth viewing experience. Look for reviews and testimonials that highlight the customer support of each provider. Next, consider compatibility with your devices. Check if it works with smart TVs or tablets. Ask your friends or family what providers they use and their experiences with them. After thorough research, narrow down your options to 2 or 3 favorites. Finally, take advantage of any trial periods offered by your chosen providers. Don't forget, this video is sponsored by www.2t.store, a top IPTV option. 2tv.store provides an extensive range of channels suitable for everyone's taste. Choosing the right OTT IPTV provider elevates your entertainment experience to new heights.